How to change your lip color in Snapchat. If you didn't know, Snapchat has this feature called Bitmoji where you can create your own characters. I'm going to show you how to change the lip color of your character. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat and make sure to your account. And if you updated your Snapchat, make sure to update it as well. And then just simply tap on your profile at the top left. Do that, your Bitmoji will appear. So what you want to do is just scroll it to view all of your Bitmoji, and now you can tap on this pencil icon that says edit avatar. Now this will open up your setting where you can customize your avatar. So if you just want to change your lip color, just slide all the way to the right and tap on this lips icon. Here you can increase the size of your lips as well, like so, or keep it to normal. And if you want to change the color of your lips, you can just tap on this icon that says this heart. So you can just tap on it to go to your outfits, and besides the hat you can see this makeup brush. Just tap on it, and from here you can choose the lipstick option. So just tap on it from your home. So just go to your home and tap on this lipstick shade. So from here you can change the color of your lips by tapping on all of these available options. So I want my lips to be, let's say, this blue. I can just do this, and you can just simply tap on save up at the top right, and now your outfit is saved. So your lip color is now changed to whatever you prefer. And that's how you can easily change lip color on Snapchat. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.